Hello everyone, welcome back to Rim's English. Today we will practice compound words, noun plus noun. Compound words have different sectors, but today we will only learn how to create a new word using two nouns together. So at first let's know what we understand by compound words. Compound word is actually the combination of two different words which creates a new word with new meaning. It can be noun plus noun, or it can be noun plus verb, or verb plus noun, and lots of other forms. For example, super plus man. Together, it creates a new word, Superman. Super is adjective, and man is noun, and Superman is noun. But as I said earlier, today we will learn only noun plus noun. So let's start. I'll show you the picture you can already see here, and you have to guess the correct compound word. Can you guess the compound word? Yes, I think you have got it. So first picture is of a class, second picture is a room. So together it creates classroom. Can you guess the compound word? Let me help. First one is police, next one man. Together it creates policeman. So police is a noun, man is also a noun, and it creates policeman, which is also a noun. Can you guess? Yes, you're absolutely right. First one is bed, second one is room. So the compound word is bedroom. What about this one? I think you could guess the answer already. Rain plus bow. Together, rainbow. Can you guess this compound word? Yes, you are right. This one is football. Because first picture is foot, next one, ball. Together, it creates a new word, football. Football is also a noun. Can you guess this? It's very easy. Okay, let me tell. First one is tooth, and next one, brush. So together, it creates toothbrush. Can you guess? It's also very easy. Yes, first picture is button and second picture, fly. So it creates butterfly. Can you guess? Yes, first one, wall. Second one, paper. So together it creates wallpaper, which we put on the screen of our laptop, mobile, or computer. This one is also quite easy. I think you have already got the answer. Tooth plus paste. Together, toothpaste. Could you guess? Yes. First one is home. Next one, work. So, together, homework. Can you guess the name of first picture? Yes, this is the picture of brain. And second one is storm. So together it creates brainstorm. Brainstorm is the noun when you try to think something critically and you try to find out the solution of some problem. That means you are raising a storm inside your brain. This is not the natural storm, it's the storm of thoughts. I think you have already got the answer. The first picture is class and second one, mates. That means friends. So it creates classmates. Can you guess this one? It's too easy. Yes, first picture is note and second one, book. So it creates notebook. So dear learners, I hope now you know how to create compound words using noun and noun. That means two nouns together creates a new noun that we are calling compound word. In our next videos, we will learn new forms of compound words. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.